So hello my dear friends, today's video is also on a very interesting topic. So what is the interesting topic? Here I will be showing you how you can earn extra income. So how you can earn extra income from your home. You do not need to go anywhere for that extra income. And how we will achieve that extra income? Just by part-time stock trading. So you will be trading the stock market part-time and still you will be earning extra income right from your home. So you can work in any office or somewhere you are looking for some extra income. So this video is for you. So you need to watch this video till the end, because in the end I have shown you how you can earn the extra income from part-time stock trading. So if you are new to this channel, make sure that you actually subscribe to me first, because every week I do come up with this kind of videos, and once you are subscribed, you hit the bell icon, because if you hit the bell icon and if you subscribe, you will be receiving my next video updates instantly. Every week actually I come up with this kind of videos at least twice a week. So make sure you are subscribed before I start the video. So my dear friends, this video is all about extra income opportunities from part-time stock trading. So I will be first discussing about how much extra income is possible. So this will depend on how much capital you are having. So I have seen that in a general market, whatever strategy, whatever part-time trading strategy I will discuss, it yields around 150% returns in a span of say 4 years. That means you are earning around 40% returns per year. 150% in 4 years, that means roughly you are earning 40% a year. So if you are having a capital of say 10 lakh rupees, you can earn around 4 lakh rupees per year. 40% of 10 lakhs is 4 lakhs. So roughly you can earn around 30-35,000 rupees per month. So this is the extra income opportunity that you can get. Now I have told you as per the capital of 10 lakh rupees. So now you can actually calculate your returns according to your capital. Now what is the strategy? I have told you how much income is possible. Now I will discuss what is the strategy. The strategy is quite simple. I have discussed this strategy a number of times. Simply once again you need to find out a stock that is trading above its 200-day moving average. So you need to find out a stock that is trading well above its 200-day moving average. The higher the stock is trading above its 200-day moving average, the better the stock. Now you need to wait for a dip. Where the dip will come? The dip will come in the RSI 2, the 2-period RSI. I have already shown you a number of videos on that. If you do not have seen those videos, check the video description. So here I have given you the link of those videos, and I have also given you the links in the I button too. So you can also check the I button. So you will be buying those stocks whenever the RSI 2 will come below say 10 or 5. The lower the RSI value will be there, the higher the chance that the stock will bounce back. And what is the exit strategy? What is the stop loss? Plain and simple, you do not keep any stop loss. Simply you can take two exit strategies. One is you can exit whenever the RSI will once again move above 70. So you are buying the stock whenever the RSI is below 5, and you are exiting whenever the RSI is above 70. So that is the one kind of exit. And another kind of exit is you can exit whenever the stock closes above its 5-day moving average. So you can take any of the exit strategies. Now where you will be getting the list of those stocks, I'll also tell you, but before that let me now tell you the other salient points. Now my dear friends, you have understood that you need to buy a stock that is trading above its 200-day moving average, and you need to buy whenever the daily 2-period RSI comes below 10 or comes below 5. The lower the RSI value, the higher the profit potential. Now I will show you full backtest on AmiBroker, so you can check the backtest, and I will also show you how much return this strategy has given even in these years bear market. So you can understand the potential. So what you need to do, why is this called as extra income opportunity, and that is also from home. Suppose you work in an office, you come back from your office, just you check in your laptop or in your mobile. I will be giving you the link of the pages from where you will be getting the stock list. So you just check in which stocks this criteria is met, and next morning you will enter. Plain and simple. Next morning you will enter, and when you will exit, once again you come back from your job or from your business, you check the particular pages that I will tell you. You will be once again getting the list of the stock where actually the RSI has moved above 70 or the stock has actually closed above its 5-day moving average. So simply you can exit those stocks because you know where the entry, because if you are seeing those particular stocks the RSI is below 5, you can buy them next morning, and whenever you will be finding that the stock is closing above its 5-day moving average or its RSI is crossing 70, you can exit those stocks. So this is the entry and exit procedure. I'll be showing you the full backtest now, and I'll also give you the list of the pages where you will be getting these scripts. So friends, now I'll be showing you the backtest. So here I am on my AmiBroker database. I have created different watch lists. So I am in the analysis window. Here I'll be testing from 2015 till 2019. So 1/1/2015 till 12/31/2019. So 1st of January 2015 till 31st December 2019. And the filter will be trading it on a filter, not all the stocks of NSE, rather we will be testing on the Nifty 500 watch list. So whatever scripts are inside the Nifty 500 stocks, those will be actually tested. I am clicking OK, and here you can see my initial equity is 1 lakh rupees, and I will be trading only long. So only this is a long only strategy, and the periodicity is daily. And you can see, my dear friends, I have taken a brokerage also. We have tested that if you are trading on a broker like Zerodha or something like that, where you need not to pay any delivery brokerage, so your generally total brokerage and charges, brokerage is 0 and the other charges will be around 2 paisa. So I have tested a brokerage percent of 0.02, so that means it is 2 paisa. I am clicking OK. So now my period is 1st of January 2015 till 31st of December 2019. I'll be clicking on backtest. So here you can see, now I'll be checking the reports. So as I have told you, my 1 lakh rupees has become 2,60,000 rupees. So that means I have got a profit of 1,60,000. So that means every year I have got a profit of 40% roughly. So 1 lakh rupees has given me a profit of 1,60,000 rupees in 4 years. So that means roughly 40,000 profit or 40% profit every year, roughly we can say. And the winners are 67.13%. So the strategy is having high win ratio too. So we have checked the statistics of this particular strategy, that it is profitable from 2015 till 2019. Now I will be testing 2020, how it has performed even in these years, COVID year. So let me check. So I will be taking 2020, and here also I will be taking 2020. So here 1st of January 2020 to 31st of December 2020. So today is 18th of August. So it will be showing you trades till today. I will be clicking on backtest. Now let us check the reports. You can see, my dear friends, this year too it has given us 10% profits. So it is awesome. This year all of the strategies has actually failed, and you can see our winners are 73.40%. So you can understand the power of this particular strategy. How this strategy has worked this year also I have shown you. Let us check the charts. You can see the strategy was performing well early in the year, then the market has actually crashed. As this is a buy only strategy, the strategy has actually failed that time. Then once again the market has actually rebounded, and the strategy has actually performed pretty well after that. So you can check the equity curves. We have got a 6% return on January, minus 1.1% return on February, minus 21.2% return on March, 2.3% return on April, 5.5% return on May, 10.8% return on June, 6.2% return on July, and 5.2% return in August till date. So this is the strategy scenario on the year 2020. So this strategy works perfectly well even all in the markets. This year we have seen a furious bear market, so this strategy has worked perfectly well even on this year. Now friends, I have shown you the strategy performance. Now I will show you from where you will be finding the list of the scripts. So dear friends, you need to come to my site, that is stockmaniacs.net. You can see inside the freebies, there is freebies section. So inside the freebies there are free charts. So inside these free charts, we are having free charts of all Nifty 50 EOD stocks, of all Junior Nifty EOD stocks, of all Mid Cap 50 EOD stocks. So let me go to the Nifty 50 EOD stocks. The page is opening, so wait for the page opens. You can see all the Nifty 50 EOD stocks have been shown here. EOD means end of day, so end of day charts will be shown here. So this page is actually showing you all the end of day charts of all Nifty 50 stocks. So let us check which stock is actually trading above its 200-day moving average and the RSI is oversold. So let us check. So I feel Bharti Airtel you can find it is trading above its 200-day moving average, because you can see the SMA 200 value over here, and Bharti Airtel is oversold because the RSI 2 value is 0.876. So when I am checking it, it is the end of day data of 17th of August. Though I am now on 18th of August, but I am having the end of day data of 17th of August. The data will once again change on 18th night. So you can come back here on 18th night and you can once again find out your script. So right now Bharti Airtel is a buy for us. So we can simply buy Bharti Airtel and we can wait for an exit. We can wait for an exit when the RSI moves above 70 mark. So you can see this is the 70 mark. Or we can exit when the stock once again crosses and closes above its 5-day moving average. You can see the SMA 5 value is also shown over here. So you need to check when it once again crosses and closes above the 5-day moving average. So this is the simple technique to buy and exit. Now my dear friends, this is the kite chart, daily chart of Bharti Airtel. Here I have shown you on my site, on my page. Here now the market has closed for 18th of August. You can see that the Bharti Airtel has given a decent bounce today itself, and the RSI value is now trading at 47.04. So you can understand the stock is on a bounce. Whenever the RSI will once again cross above 70, you can exit this particular stock, this Bharti Airtel. So I have shown you an example of Bharti Airtel over here. So my dear friends, I have shown you how you can make extra income. You can generate sources for extra income right from your home, and that too just trading part-time on the stock market. So you can understood that if you work in an office or if you do your own business, still just you can devote 15 minutes of time per day and you can find a stock that is actually meeting this criteria. So next morning simply you need to buy that stock once again next day, or the 3 days back, or the 4 days back, or after 7 days, whenever the exit criteria is being met, you just need to check back once again after coming back from your job or from your business. You need to check the page that I have already shown you. There you will be finding once again when your exit criteria will be met. So the next morning you simply need to exit the stock. So this is the job that you need to do here. So just you need to give 15 minutes of your time per day and still you can generate an income as high as 40% per year. So if you can invest around 10 lakhs, here you can generate say 35,000 rupees per month. You can generate an income of 4 lakhs per year. I have shown you. Yes, that was possible. And I have also shown you even this year when the market was in tumble, everything was in turmoil. We are into heavy crisis due to COVID-19. Still, you have got a decent 10% return. You cannot show me a single mutual fund that has generated 10% returns this year. So this strategy has generated 10% returns with high accuracy. The accuracy is awesome high. So dear friends, if you are not subscribed to me yet, I will make this kind of videos. I do make this kind of videos every week, at least twice a week. So you need to just subscribe to me, and once you are subscribed, do not forget to hit the bell icon too, because in that case you will be getting my new video updates instantly. So friends, if you have liked this video, do not forget to hit the like button too, and do not forget to share it with your friends and relatives. And dear friends, I will wait for your comments, because if you do comment back how you have liked this video or what kind of videos I am making, I will get confidence to make newer videos. And yes, we also need some boost, right? So I will be waiting for your comments.